Alright, we made it to Burnside. Time to go shopping.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoobs! Welcome back to my channel! O, diba? Ang taas. Mga Zoobs today, sorry. Kailangan namin ng major cleaning. Kaya naman, mamaya, sasamahan nyo kaming maglinis ng buong bahay. Magkakaroon tayo ng mini tour dahil sa paglilinis na yan. Pero before that, mga Zoobs, kami ay lalabas muna. Since pupunta kami ng Melbourne, bibili kami ng konting mga susuotin para sa mga bata, jacket para sa kanilang mga OOTD dahil syempre since first time namin sa Melbourne, kailangan medyo maganda naman at presentable ang aming mga damit. So, yun lang naman yung sa amin, ano. Pero konti lang, kasi sale daw dun sa mall. So, pupunta kami dun ngayon. Tapos, nasa kotse na sila, so inaantay na lang nila ako. Sasamahan niyo akong mag-ready pababa. Ayan, so naka-ready na tayo. Tapos, tayo ay bababa na. Patayin ang mga ilaw. Check. Tapos, bababa tayo, babalik.
Alright, we made it to Burnside. Time to go shopping.
Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
I highly recommend this, guys. This was the spiced caramel.
Caramel with apple.
Yeah, spiced caramel with apple at Baker's Delight.
Pakita mo daw si
Grabe,
Mimi.
ang sarap. Si Mimi,
May
ice cream all over her face.
Tapos i-wipe mo din.
And si Lele, puro shopping.
Oh my God.
And I stop this.
Mag-thank you ka kay Daddy. Daddy's paying
Oh,
for your shopping.
shit, Swain.
Now. Ito ba? Wala naman ako na shopping, Daddy.
Me too, I already bought a jacket, yun lang. Sa trip na lang.
Hi guys, so ito na, nakarating na kami sa bahay at inumpisahan ko na. Yan na siya. Hindi pa ako tapos. Oh my gosh, look. Look. Look! So hopefully matapos ko to. I'll show you the after. Hee! shorts ni Andy. Ilagay na lang muna natin sa isang bag kasi
Pakadena lang. Short fit.
ang shorts mo.
So we're just folding some of the stuff here.
Ito yung mga pang Melbourne.
Yeah. So we're just putting it on the side for now because we haven't got any space. But yeah, we'll put this in another spot once we clear out the other ones. Yes, Mimi.
Bola.
I know that's a bola. Ang ganda mo
Play
naman.
with Coco, bola. Coco?
Yeah, so here are my recent jackets from Zara. Well, some of these were bought last year as well. But I'm going to put this on my side because some of them were here on this side. So, yeah, this is Diana's jacket collection. This one of my favorites. Ayun, syempre ang daming fluff. Yung favorite niya. Tapos this one. May fleece. Ayun. If you live in cold area, you know fleece is the only way. Ayun guys, so we got pizza. What's this one? Ham and Hawaiian. And then
Garlic
cheese
bread.
bread
Yeah.
with garlic. Pepperoni. I'm
Margarita.
just making it up as I go along. Margarita. We got drinks there, no sponsors. Turn them around. Cake. Cheese tarts. More cheese. And then we got some gifts from our friends John and Maze. So we're gonna have some fun and have a good night.
So, hi guys! Katatapos lang namin maglinis ng bahay and happy naman kami sa result kasi madumi agad. Ayan, and you know, it's June 30, katapusan na. So, marami kasing nagtatanong ano yung trabaho namin ni Andy. So, this is what we do every katapusan. We help our mga hosts na nagla-live to Kota. Ayan, naka-Bigo tayo ngayon. Naka-live ako ngayon sa Bigo while doing this vlog para makita nyo lang. So, I do this every day. Nagla-live tayo at least 1 to 2 hours per day. Tapos yun nga, sa katapusan, syempre, doon kasi malalaman kung magkano yung sisweldohin mo. So, yung ibang mga na-short, medyo nagtutulungan kami kung paano namin marireach yung tamang quota namin. So, ayan siya. Kung interesado kayong malaman, you can download Bigo Live and then meron kaming agency doon. You can check my name. Our group name is DKSA. So, PM nyo lang ako. My Bigo ID is Diana Zubir. So, ayun lang. Pakita nyo naman yung nilinis natin. Ang ganda kaya. Pakita ni Andy.
Ayun guys, so this is what's clean, what's left of it. We cleaned up this area here and the area over there, but it's a little bit messy now because there's some toys. Ayun, Lele is here. There's a little bit of mess on the table, but you know, of course we just ate, so syempre naman. Oh, there's a little bit of leftover pizza here from our little dinner party with friends. We still have burger and fries here from Kanina. But yeah, for the most part, pretty clean, no? Not too bad.
Hi! Alam nyo, naglinis na kami pero hindi pa talaga kami matapos-tapos. But, okay lang naman kasi alam nyo na pag may bata, medyo mahirap talaga maglinis. Kasi kada linis, dumi agad. Parang tanggap na natin yan mga mommies, di ba? Bigyan niyo naman ako ng konting hacks about cleaning. Gusto ko lalagay itong mga damit na to. I know yung iba nagsasabi sa akin na, ipamigay ko na yung iba. Hindi ko kasi maipamigay yung from Aliyah's size. Kasi pwede pang suotin ni Mimi yun. So yun yung isang problem ko. Yung mga toys, pinamigay ko na. But anyway, yan ang assignment din yung mga subs. Bigyan niyo ako ng advice about this mess. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood ng vlog for today. And of course, tomorrow is another day. So please, please, please share this vlog. And comment lang kayo palagi dahil sasagutin ko kung ano man yung sabihin ninyo. As always. Salamat mga subs! Bye-bye!